Good morning, kindergarten. Happy Monday. Let's take a look at our morning message for today. I have a little friend here. This is Gingy. He's come to help me do our morning message today. You guys ready? All right, let's read it together. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Our new letter is F. Do you remember the sound that the F makes? Yes. And our kindergarten words are to and the. And the we've been practicing a long time already. So only to is really the new one. Gingy has another great gingerbread man story for you today. He can't wait to share it with you. So he's got another story. We've read Gingerbread Friends, we've read The Gingerbread Girl, The Gingerbread Boy, and today we're going to read another one. So I can't wait, and he can't wait to share it with you. All right, and there's a little picture of Gingy with his Santa hat on and a candy cane. All right, now let's take a look at this part of, let's see if I can. All right. Oh, there we go. All right. So I have some pictures here, and I want you to tell me what the middle sound is. When we break those individual sounds in those words here, it's when you touch your cheek. That's the middle sound. Okay. Remember how we break our words down? Okay. So this one is sit. Okay. That boy he's sitting. Sit. Okay. S. I. 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 I is the middle sound, the letter I, I. All right, this is pen, pen, something you write with, pen. Let's break it down. We'll stop right here. P, E, E, E. What do you think? E, E, E. The letter E makes the E sound. So yes, that's the middle sound. Last one, that's a pan. Let's break it down, but stop at the cheeks. P, A, 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 A. What letter makes that sound? The letter A. You're right. So the middle sound is A, and the letter that it represents is A. Wonderful. All right. Love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pan. All right. Take a look at our letter of the week. It's the letter F, and here are some things that begin with the letter F. The F sound. Frog, fruit, fish, feet. They all have the F sound. So we'll keep looking at different things that start with the letter F too. All right, let's do some counting. We're counting let's count to 60 today. Are you ready? Here we go. 1. Oops, I gotta move that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We did it. Great job, boys and girls. All right, let's count. Ooh, every time I do that, don't I? Move our numbers and not our arrow. All right, count down from 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Fabulous job. All right, we're making our ABC pattern. Let's do Santa, gingerbread man, candy cane. Okay, that's my ABC pattern. Santa, gingerbread, candy cane. Santa, gingerbread, candy cane. Great job. Santa, gingerbread, candy cane. Wonderful. That is our ABC pattern. All right, are we ready for our sight words? I'll say them twice. Brown, brown. Black, black. Orange, orange. Red, red. Gray, gray. Am, blue, blue. At, can, go, go. Is, like, see, me, two, the. Now remember, to and the, those are our two new ones this week. All right, let's take a look at our activities on Seesaw. All right, we're working on that letter, or excuse me, that sight word the. So you know the routine for this one. You have to find them all. We have a few friends that have a little bit of trouble finding the capital ones. Make sure you look for all of them so that you can find, there's capital letters when they're written with capital letters, lowercase letters, so make sure you find all of them. All right, and let's see, there's 10 of them, so make sure you find 10 of them. This is a fun activity. It's write the missing letter. So there's a missing letter of the alphabet because they're all in order, and you have to write the missing letter for each one. Remember, there is more than one page, so you have to go through them all. And this is a fun one. It's a number recognition, and it'll have the little girl has a number she's holding, and you have to put that many fish in the fishbowl. Okay, and then submit. Make sure you submit all these, guys. That's part of your daily work, is making sure that this is getting done. All right, so make sure you get it done, and make sure you get it done correctly. Sometimes, if I'm not sure about something, I would have my parents or a grown-up look at it before I submit it, because a lot of you are submitting things that are not quite done or not quite right. So make sure you have a grown-up or older brother and sister take a peek at it so that we make sure that you're submitting correct work. All right, so videos today, we have a math lesson, 5.2, handwriting. We're doing 2 letters today, the lowercase c and the lowercase o. And then Miss Stacy's going to read you a story. And there's 2 sight word songs for the and to. All right. We'll also have a gingerbread story on too. So make sure you look for that one too. All right. And that will actually come later on this afternoon. All right. And then Zooms today. We have our small group Zooms. So I will be posting a link here in just a little bit. So be sure to be watching for that. And have a great day, boys and girls. Again, I always tell you, but make sure you message me if you have any questions or you need anything at all. All right. Have a fabulous, wonderful day. Bye, guys.